Fiberglass. It's quite literally fibers of glass, but amazingly, it's stronger than many materials by weight and can be molded into complex shapes. It came into wide use in the U.S. in the early 1930s, when Owens Corning developed it further by applying heat to the fibers, and they patented the term fiberglass. Fiberglass is found in many items such as cars, boats, insulation, shower stalls, and even amusement park rides. It's also the key component of the most durable and elegant swimming pools on the market, Thursday Pools fiberglass pools. The flexibility of fiberglass allows us to create incredible features in our pools, such as tanning ledges, sun shelves, benches, and play areas. It also allows for a great variety in shapes, sizes, and finish colors. Let's take a look at how we make it. It all starts with design. We start with a 3D software program to create the shape, size, and features for a new pool model, taking into account what dealers and consumers have told us they want. After we've finalized a design, we create a CAD, a computer-assisted drawing that defines the technical specifications, the blueprint for the pool's pattern. Next, we analyze it to ensure that it meets all ASTM5 safety standards for residential pools. In order to analyze the structural integrity of the design, we conduct a finite element analysis to identify high-stress areas, making adjustments as needed to the design or laminate schedule. Our expert craftsmen actually create the entire design out of wood on an I-beam steel structure to ensure precision and solid foundation. We then use a laser to check all of the coping and other levels for accuracy down to a fraction of an inch. Now it's time to build the mold, which will be used to make every pool of that model and will ensure that every pool is uniform and structurally sound. Once the mold's steel substructure is done, we use a crane to remove it from the pattern. The mold then has to be prepped with carefully applied sealer. Mold prepping is an incredibly important and painstaking process. Much like preparing a cake pan before you pour the batter in, if the mold is not properly prepped, the gel coat of the pool will stick to the mold, making it impossible to demold the pool without damage to both the pool and the mold itself. We use 100% cotton, contaminant-free rags to apply the sealer, keeping track of where we've left off to be sure we have a clean, single layer. At this point, our mold is moved to the gel station. Believe it or not, we start with the finish. The top gel coat of the pool is applied first. During this process, we're constantly checking the thickness to be sure it meets our high-quality standards. Once the gel coat is complete, a vinyl ester barrier coat is applied. Now that the surface of the pool is complete, the laminate schedule begins. We use fiberglass that's still made by Owens Corning today from the highest quality raw materials sourced exclusively in Northern America. Using our unique schedule of layering resin, chopped fiberglass, and hand-laid woven roving fiberglass, we create what we like to call our composite sandwich of awesomeness, a total of 9 carefully crafted layers that create 360 degrees of strength and result in the most durably crafted fiberglass pool in the industry today. Thursday Pools is the fiberglass pool industry's only ISO 9001 and 14001 certified manufacturer, so quality assurance tests are conducted throughout our entire process. Once the pool has been cured, it's removed from the mold and trimmed and is now ready for final inspection. Final inspection is a multi-step process that includes a visual inspection and ultrasonic measurements to check the pool's thickness and total weight. All of this data is recorded for every pool we make. Now, it's finally time for our Thursday pool to leave our facility and head out to the family that's eagerly awaiting it. And that's the story of how a Thursday Pool's fiberglass pool is made.